with the book of Holy Writers. It is a great light in masonry and should ever be the great law of the brotherhood. It will guide you in all truths. It will direct you to eternal happiness. And an attentive regard to the divine precept it contains will ensure your success in the fulfillment of the duties you are now about to assume. The working tools of our craft will be next presented to you. That as a master workman, you may instruct the craftsmen in various duties and virtues which they have been selected to illustrate. The square. Teaches us well to regulate in every action to let our conduct be governed by the principles of morality and virtue. The compass. Teaches us to limit our desire in every station and never to suffer our passions or prejudice to become the masters of our judgment. The rule. Directs the undeviating discharge of all your duties, that you should press forward in the straight path of right and truth without inclining to one hand or the other, in all our doings, having eternity in view. The plum is an emblem of moral rectitude. It teaches us to avoid all dissimulations and to pursue the honest and upright course of life in life, which will tend to our elevation in the higher realms of morality. There are still other important things which you will receive in charge. This book of Constitution, you are expected diligently to search and from time to time to cause its contents to be read in your lodge, that none may remain ignorant of the precepts of it enjoins or of the ordinance which it promulgates. This book contains the bylaws of your lodge, which it will be your special duty to see carefully punctually executed. And this charter. Under the authority of which your lodge is held, and which you are carefully to preserve, and duly transmit to your successor in the master's chair.